Active weather all week long in 3 basic rounds. There'll be non-severe thunderstorms tonight. The biggest challenge will be coming here tomorrow night. We've had some garden variety showers and storms come through today. Down to the south and west of us, there's more active weather anticipated tonight, especially down over northern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, where a tornado watch is in effect as those storms head to the east and southeast. They will not be moving into West Michigan. Nonetheless, we still have some active weather this evening. That tornado watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock our time, 10 o'clock Central Time. They could see wind gusts up to 70+ miles per hour and 1.5 inch diameter hail. That's all to our south and west, where they're under a slight risk for severe weather here tonight. We're in a marginal risk, which is 1 out of 5. Tomorrow we're at a 2 out of 5, which is a slight risk, up a little bit. The main threat will be back to our west here in southern Wisconsin and Illinois, and that will come tomorrow night. So again, tonight we'll have some scattered showers and storms. Tomorrow, I think most, if not all of the day, will be dry. 71 overnight, 87 in the afternoon, and then more of those storms tomorrow night through Wednesday, and then a third and final round will come Thursday night and Friday, and then some comfortable, more seasonable weather heading our way for the weekend. We'll give you a timeline on when those storms will come and go over the next 48 hours. That's in just a few minutes. Well, unlike last week's sunny, more comfortable, dry weather pattern, we've got steamy and stormy conditions much of this week. What's ahead for the weekend, and more importantly, before then, 13 weather ball blinking bright. We have lots of scattered showers and maybe some strong to severe thunderstorms in sight over the next 5 days. It's also red, warmer, steamy weather ahead, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Low and mid 80s today, including 82 here in Grand Rapids, which is our average high for this time of year. We forecast 83, and we've been within 3 degrees 27 days in a row with a number of bullseyes and only one miss here in the last 31 days. More rain over toward Muskegon. You had about a ½ inch. Lots of rain down in northern Illinois, where there's some estimates over 2 inches of rain just today, and that's the kind of rain that will be coming down at times. We've had a sprinkle of rain out here on the deck, but some showers went through the Muskegon area, some heavier downpours, and that's where the active weather will be the next hour or two, with really strong storms expected to blossom down from Chicago into northern Illinois, northwest Indiana, where there's a tornado watch in effect until about 11 o'clock our time here tonight. A marginal risk for severe weather tonight, but a slight risk here tomorrow evening through tomorrow night, and that slight risk is category 2 out of 5. Greatest threat for any kind of damage would be back here to the west tomorrow night in Wisconsin and Illinois. That's from strong winds, and we have the lowest risk for hail, with a slightly higher risk for hail over here in southern Wisconsin. Let's break it down hour by hour. This is the next several hours. You can see these scatterings of showers and storms. They can put down some heavy downpours. This is coming up on 11 o'clock. This is where most of the activity is expected to be, with those storms, strong storms, staying down in Illinois and Indiana. They flare up again over the southern part of our viewing area between about 11 and 2 a.m., and then they start to wind down as they head to the east. We're going to end up with just cloudy skies. Notice a little bit of a wind shift coming through right around daybreak, and most, if not all, of the daylight hours tomorrow will be precipitation free. We'll open up some breaks in the cloud cover during the afternoon. Now, with any one of those showers and storms, there could be some tremendous downpours. This is additional rain from what you've had today, around 1 inch or 2 inches overnight tonight, and then during the day tomorrow, as that thunderstorm complex comes down from the north and west, there'll be a little bit more, with the more rain down to the south and west of Grand Rapids. Chicago, you could end up with 4 inches of rain over the next 24 hours. That could lead to some flooding. For us, though, we have mostly cloudy skies during the daylight hours, low in mid 80s. Further south, they have heat advisories in effect down toward South Bend. Mid 80s here tomorrow, very high dew points in the 70s under mostly cloudy skies. Most, if not all, of the daylight hours will be dry. Similarly, here in the greater Grand Rapids area, upper 80s for high temperatures. Heat index values will be up into the 90s. 13 on your side forecast. A couple of rounds of showers and storms. Again, tomorrow night into Wednesday, and then a break Wednesday night. And there'll be also a break Thursday, with more storms Thursday night into Friday morning, and then the humidity drops. A comfortable seasonable weather pattern for the weekend and most, if not all, of next week.